again?
Feels like it's been a long time, but it's only been 3 weeks.
I know. Here we are again, heading out.
Yes.
Where are we going?
Paso Robles.
Yeah, Paso Robles.
Yeah, Caleb's calling me though right now.
Why is Caleb?
I don't know.
What's he want?
Hello?
Do you want the mosquito bite? Whatever it's called.
I'm okay, thank you. Will you make sure the back blinds are shut?
Back blinds?
Yeah, I shut him.
The blinds?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, love you.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay. So, actually going to leave our 18-year-old here so he can go to his father's.
His dad's house?
Yeah, and we're going to go hang out with our friends over in the Paso Robles area, over in the other part of wine country of California.
But that's the place that we're staying at. It's called Wine Country.
It is wine country.
Yeah.
See, you're taking all my lead in. It's okay. It's okay. So we got to go pick up Jalen right now. She's actually at leadership at school. You know, school hasn't started yet, but she's in leadership, so she's got some extra duties to do. I said duty. I like it. Anyways, we're gonna get on the road.
I'm ready.
And me too.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
No. Here we go.
I thought you were let's do this.
No, I'm here we go.
Okay, here we go. Hey, little girl, you want some candy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to go camping?
Yeah. We got puppies in here.
I got puppies.
Cookie Monster. Is it Daddy?
You ask it every time.
Is it a pull through? I know it's a pull
Yes,
through.
it's a pull through.
I know, I always ask. Well, that trip, I had booked it so far in advance, I
I know.
forgot if we got pull throughs on everything. Harry the pilot. How bad?
That toilet smells so bad. I don't understand. We're pretty crazy about cleaning our tanks, and I don't know.
But you're gonna fix it because we got the magic wand.
Fix something.
The poop one. So Jason's setting up. He always does power and sewer before we open the slides. It makes it easier on him. And then plus it's hot, so that way we can get the AC rolling before we go in. And then we can start working on the inside. Because we just threw everything in there. We did not do anything beforehand like we normally do, like make the bed and stuff like that. So I'm excited to go to the beach tomorrow though, because then it's cooler weather. Excited for the beach?
Yeah.
And play in the water? You don't know? I don't know how well I'll walk in the sand with my foot, but we'll make it work. At least we can go shopping. Right, Jalen?
Yeah.
We always shop.
All right, I think we're gonna raise the next destination flag. First time, we just ordered them. Just gonna try to hook it up, get this all set up. Here we go. He's up. Let's check it out.
Cookie, do we order groceries? Did we order groceries? Yep.
I'm gonna go load all the alcohol in the fridge, the outside fridge.
The important stuff.
Yes.
So days like today where it's too hot, we order groceries. So now we just have to put them away, and we have a nice big fridge. It fits lots of stuff, so we can actually camp about 2 weeks with the fridge full. But it's just too hot to go anywhere right now. He did go to the meat market, so I'm excited. We're gonna have fillets tonight because we love our fillets. And I start my diet next week, so that'll be fun. But time to put some groceries away.
All right. Thursday night in Paso. Sun's going down. See a little bit of that sun over there. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous here. A little warm today, about 102, but it's cooling down nice right now. Oh yeah. Some fillets, our favorite. Gonna be a gorgeous night here tonight. Got our little outdoor kitchen set up. Oh, I hear my beeper. Fillets are done. It's rare time.
He's so cute. He's filming out there.
All right. It is Saturday? Friday? It's always great when you're on the road and you don't even know what day it is anymore.
Friday.
It is Friday. So we're sitting here in the camper. There's Mandy. Getting ready. We're gonna head over to where are we going?
Pismo Beach.
Pismo Beach. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to Pismo Beach and hit Splash Cafe, which is probably, I mean, it's my favorite. Get some clam chowder. That's about it.
Cooler weather.
Oh, check these out. Oh, I got my glasses on. Yeah.
New hats.
Got some next destination hats. Just ordered a couple of them. Mandy's looking stylish here. We look stylish together in our new next destination hats. But yeah, what do you think?
I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
I love the beach.
Yes. Yes, me too.
Good weather.
Well, Splash Cafe is probably one of our favorites. The food over there is just phenomenal. And then that whole area. It's the pier.
Shopping.
Plenty of shopping. Oh, the cinnamon roll shop. Yep. Definitely not losing any weight on this trip. But anyway, so yeah. Let's go.
Here we go.
She likes to walk in front of us.
Yes.
The weather is perfect.
Oh, it's amazing out here today. Kidding me? The history of Pismo Beach Wharf and Pier. In 1881, the Pismo Beach Wharf was constructed. Yeah, I remember when they shut it down and rebuilt this.
I see some shells.
That's a gorgeous pier.
There's a bunch. Here you go.
There's no sharks out there right now, so you're gonna become the shark?
Yep. I have 3 actually.
Watch out for the sharks. You are in Pismo. No, the shark.
You gotta name the shark. Stuart the shark.
Stewart.
Seven. It looks so good. But I need huckleberry. I want to go back to Montana and Wyoming.
Wyoming's got the
huckleberry.
huckleberry. What about you? What are you gonna get?
Probably
Look at this. And they put ice cream in them.
Here we have a peanut butter one.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
A big scoop. Warm cookie ice cream. Before the diet.
Yeah. But, I mean,
Snickerdoodle cookie dough.
yeah, and I ended up doing chocolate fudge with peanut butter cookie. But that's cool. So the cone is a cookie. And then you have Miss Standard over here.
Hey.
Hey, that's good stuff. That's my favorite still. To this date, that's still my favorite.
Leaving the beach.
Yep. It was great. Weather was perfect.
Yes.
Splash Cafe. Always.
The
It's
best.
impressive, yes.
The best clam chowder.
Yes. And then the cookie.
Oh, the cowboy cookie.
cookie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What'd you end up getting?
I got cookie dough with a Snickerdoodle cookie cup.
Yes. And I got the peanut butter one. Oh. Yeah. That could be dangerous if they have one of those in town.
Yeah.
But no, very good. Once again, always a good Pismo trip.
Yeah, walked down to the end of the pier. Met up with our friends that we're about to go meet at our campsite. They're gonna go tow their trailer over there. It's gonna be a fun weekend.
It's gotta be a fun weekend.
Yeah, we haven't camped with them since I hurt myself
Yeah, it's been a
in
while.
NASCAR. Yeah, so. All right. It's burger night.
Yes, it is.
All our friends are here.
Yep, they just drove in. It's late. 8:15, so we're gonna feed them all right now.
Burgers, tater tots,
Yes.
mac salad.
Yes, JR Meats here in Paso Robles. Amazing. This is all grain-fed beef. It's good stuff.
It's good.
Had the fillets last night, burgers tonight, all from the same place. So if you're in the area, JR Meats.
We're leaving Wine Country RV Resort in Paso Robles.
It was awesome.
It was
I had
great.
a great time.
Yeah, we stayed in Site 200, and it was a great spot.
Yeah, it's a newer developed area in the campground. It's very, very nice.
Yeah. They had music on Friday night, and then they had a taco truck Friday and Saturday.
Tamales every morning that would drive through.
Yes. So, and then they had a bar from 4 to 9.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
It was a good time. Sites are really nice.
Yes.
You know, dirt area for your trailer to park in. Nice sewer connections, 50 amp. They also had the concrete pad went from the beginning of the site to the end of the site.
Yes.
And nice picnic tables.
Very nice picnic tables. Yeah. No, the place was really nice. We'll definitely come back.
Yeah. Well, and the whole main reason why we came over here in the first place was our friends were going to the concert over at Pismo Robles.
Right across the street.
Yep, literally right across the street. They walked home from the concert, which is a little sketchy. I don't know if I would do that. But
Yeah, across the freeway.
across the yes, highway, but yeah, it was a great place. That's the first time we've stayed there.
Yeah.
And I loved it.
Yeah, it was a great time. 3 nights are a little short, but
Yeah, well, we're a little spoiled.
yeah, I like 4 nights minimum. But we had a great time. My kids start school tomorrow. My least favorite time of the year.
And favorite, both.
No, I'm the mom that doesn't want their kids to go back to school.
And then we're 2 more weeks and we'll be in Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz, yes. Yeah, we got lots more camping to do this year.
Oh yeah, every 3 to 4 weeks we'll be putting out an episode.
Yep. So on our way home. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Yes, please do.
We appreciate your support as we build our channel.
Hopefully in 6 years, when if things go correctly, we'll be putting out episodes all the time.
Yeah, we plan on going pretty much full time in 6 years. That's our goal. So,
We'll see.
see you next time.
Bye, guys.